There is a new lease code being introduced by RICS, the Royal Institute for Chartered Surveyors. The code differs from the existing code in that it will be far more prescriptive, with certain elements being compulsory, such as which topics you have to cover in your detailed written heads of terms. Other elements are strongly recommended.
Initial indications are that the code is quite tenant-friendly and leaves less room for negotiation between the parties. A landlord will need to justify reasons for departing from the code. At the moment, it's unclear whether commercial reasons will be sufficient to do so.
Leases should have security of tenure unless there is good reason not to. Clearly, this will restrict landlords if they wish to control their mix of tenants over the course of years.
Landlords are being asked to move away from upwards only rent reviews. Consequently, agents are coming up with weird and wonderful ways to deal with the rent review in the lease. Any rent review mechanism should be clear and workable.
Break clauses should have far fewer conditions attached to them. In particular, the tenants should just give up the demised premises free of occupation and having paid all annual rent due under the lease. Clearly, this is to give break clauses less chance of failing due to the onerous conditions attached to them.
A landlord will want to keep control over who's in occupation of their premises. However, the lease code provides that a tenant should be able to freely assign the whole of the premises, and the landlord can only require an authorised guarantee agreement when it's reasonable to do so.
These are just a few of the points that the new code strongly recommends. However, the final points have yet to be determined.
Our team are aware of the issues and the impact that this can have on both landlords and tenants alike. We can negotiate effectively and efficiently on the matters that are important to you.